Welcome to this weekly suggestion. Take a seat and enjoy this journey. This week, we're learning how to use numbers in a dialogue. Let's dive in.
Hi, John. I need some basic information to complete the new system. First, when were you born? And what's your address?
Hello, Jenny. Sure. I was born on the 21st of April 1985, and I live at 275 Main Street, Malvern. Zip code 1321544.
Good. Next, I need your personal telephone number and your personal email address.
My phone number is area code 44. Phone 457852111. And my email is john_smith@gmail.com. Is that all?
That's all, John. Thanks. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.